Hey everyone, Tech Support by RD here, and today is a very quick video because I'm going to show you how to change the sleep timer on Windows 10. Go to the Start menu, Settings, System category, and fifth option in the list is Power and Sleep. This is where we can change the sleep timer rather, and the screen off timer as well. Now, since we are on a desktop computer, I have these two drop-down boxes. But if this were a laptop, you will have two boxes for each, for a total of four. One for battery, when you're plugged in, and another for plugged in, or charging. The first is the screen timer. Now, this determines how many minutes of idling will the computer turn off its screen in the case of a laptop or another device with a built-in display, or the GPU or the graphics card to stop sending video to the display in the case of a desktop. So this is after some period of idling. Now the second is sleep, and this timer dictates how long the PC will become idle before it goes to sleep. So for example, if in 30 minutes I've set here, if you don't do anything on your computer within 30 minutes, like you don't use the mouse or you don't press any key on the keyboard, your computer will automatically go to sleep. Now, here's something you need to know. If your computer goes to sleep, all the programs that your computer is currently running will temporarily stop working, and they'll resume when you wake your computer up from sleep, like moving your mouse, pressing a key on the keyboard, or if that doesn't work, by pressing the power button on your computer. So if you're going to be running a program like a rendering application, or if you're going to render a project or do some long task on your computer and you don't want it to be interrupted, you can set the sleep timer to something longer, or you can set it to never, so the computer won't go into sleep mode at all. The other setting, the screen turn off setting, will only turn off the display, but it doesn't put the computer to sleep. Programs will continue to run as if nothing happened. You just won't be able to see the screen. And to bring the screen back, you can just move your mouse or press a key on the keyboard. Now, sometimes if you're running your computer as a kiosk, or if you're going to be playing a video, or if you're running a public display, you might want to set the setting to never, so the screen doesn't turn off. Also, if you're looping a movie or watching a movie, you can also set this to never as well. However, most video playback applications or websites that use video, like if you're using a YouTube website on your browser, or if you're using a video player application, or if you're using Netflix, some of these applications are smart enough to temporarily override the screen turn off settings that you chose here, because the very act of watching a video is considered as activity, and that won't turn off your screen. Similarly, there are also some other applications as well that will temporarily prevent your computer from going to sleep, irrespective of the settings you selected here. For example, there are certain downloader applications, download managers, for example, that will prevent your computer from going to sleep if an active download is in progress. And this is especially for large files where the download could take longer than, the sleep delay you set here. So as a matter of courtesy, it will prevent your system from going into sleep until the process is complete. So if you're wondering why your computer isn't sleeping, despite the time you selected here, you may want to review the behavior of some applications on your computer. Okay, I guess that's how to change the power and sleep settings, the delays for your computer in Windows 10. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.